Hey there, Zing Data users. Ready to stay on top of your most important data without even lifting a finger? We're excited to show you how to create scheduled alerts for your dashboard reports so you never miss a beat. Let's say you're looking at this visitor analysis dashboard for your events. You want to get a weekly update on how things are trending delivered right to your inbox. Here's how easy it is to set up a scheduled alert. First, navigate to the dashboard you want to receive alerts for. See that bell icon in the top right corner? Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a menu pop up on the right. Simply select Create Alert. Now it's time to choose your schedule. You can select hourly, weekly, or monthly updates. For this example, let's choose weekly. You can then specify the exact day and time you want to receive your report. Let's set it for every Monday at 8 a.m. Perfect timing to kick off your week. Next, you can choose your preferred delivery method. You can opt for an email notification so you get a detailed report in your inbox. Once you've set your schedule and delivery preferences, just tap Create Alert. And that's it. You've successfully created a scheduled alert for your dashboard. Now, every Monday at 8 a.m., you'll automatically receive an update on your visitor analysis right where you need it. Stay informed, save time, and make data-driven decisions with Zing Data's new scheduled alerts feature. It's just another way Zing Data empowers you to unlock the power of your data effortlessly.